Case study, how to make $6,000 a month in simple ad sales. I can't reveal the niche where I found this case study, but with a little tweaking this could work in any of the larger niche markets. And best of all, you get paid up front, before you even place the ads. Here's how it works. I'll call our case study entrepreneur Bob. Bob puts out an email newsletter for free. And it's a really good one, too, with plenty of great information. He doesn't actually write most of the info, though. He uses PLR and he gets permission to reprint articles and blog posts. His subscriber base is over 25,000 people. And because he puts out such great content, his open rates are high, which means he can offer paid advertising inside his newsletter. Bob's content is presented as the main part of the newsletter, and then after the content he runs one ad per newsletter, which is a simple matter of copying and pasting the ads he receives from advertisers. And because it's an email newsletter, he allows ads to be a full page, or even longer if it's presented as an advertorial type of format. Because Bob only allows one ad per newsletter, he can charge $300 per ad. And get this, his newsletter goes out as often as he has paid ads, which tends to be 20 to 25 times per month. To keep readers engaged and opening his newsletters, he makes sure to always send out at least 20 newsletters per month, even if it's a rare month where he doesn't have paid ads for all of them. 20 ads times $300 per ad is $6,000 per month. Bob gets paid the fees up front. He doesn't create any products other than the newsletter. And because of the niche Bob is in, he can promote the ad slots within the newsletter itself. For some niches, you might need to promote the ad space outside of the newsletter. For more marketing tips and case studies like this one, subscribe to our marketing newsletter.